Hey guys, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications for Revolut. So once you're on the Revolut app, simply click your profile picture in the upper left, scroll down and you'll find notification settings. Click on that. Now here it's going to show you all of your notifications settings here. So you have your push notifications here. You also have notifications about promotions, trading alerts, and so forth. So you can go ahead and you can get these. Now, let's say you want to turn off, for example, email notifications and so forth. You can tap on that section here and you can simply toggle that feature off to not receive emails and in-app recommendations and so forth. But you can keep push notifications if you want as well. So you can choose how you want to have that set up, and you can do it for each section on your phone by simply doing that. You can go ahead and you can even turn off push notifications for commodities and volatility alerts. It's really up to you guys. So you can go ahead and you can set these right here if you so desire. And that's how you manage your notification alerts for Revolut on your phone.